Hello, and welcome to another update video on SUI. Here on the SUI chart, we're still witnessing further downside. Market has respected our resistance area so far. This is micro resistance, still relevant in case it is going to be tested again. It can easily be tested. We have not yet seen any break below the Saturday 31st of May low. That would be the next step, the next milestone target for the bears to drive the price below that level, below the $3.05 level. And then the focus can shift to the next Fibonacci levels below. Quick reminder for those who are new on the channel, anyway, to give you a good understanding of what's going on, but as a reminder also for everybody who's watching videos regularly here. I mean, the overall pressure remains downward, right, as long as we stay below resistance. While the overall thesis on this chart is still bullish, especially as long as we are holding above our key support level, which is at $2.09, in this, what I'm labeling as wave 2 pullback, the short-term pressure is still down. So there is basically no evidence at this point that we have bottomed and that we are starting the next larger rally to the upside. We also have, I mean, while the price is kind of nearly touched on the 31st of May, this Fibonacci support level at $3.03, there hasn't really been an impulsive reaction, and there has not yet been, a convincing low, basically. So pressure still seems downward, and that indicates the wave 2 is likely still unfolding. So while I track, obviously, at every juncture the potential for an upside reversal, the first signal we would get for a successful upside reversal would be a break above this previous swing high that formed on the 3rd of June. It's at $3.38, touched perfectly the, let's say, standard, basically our standard target, right, or resistance level for the wave 4. A wave 4 should not break above the 50% retracement. So breaking above it would indicate that the next upside level could be tested at around $3.74, and then above that, the $4.22 level. So these are the next few resistance levels above, but we don't even need to think about a low has formed until we break above 338. And then, I mean, that's when the journey begins. That's when the bottoming confirmation process begins. But for now, first of all, I am watching for a little lower. At least I would say one more low. I mean, you can always extend a little lower. Normally, what we'd like to see is that the fifth wave to the downside here reaches at least the 50% retracement around $2.70. I'd like to see that. I'm just not sure if it can do that from a micro count point of view, because the microstructure in wave 5 would have to extend quite a bit. But yeah, pressure is downward, so no change really to the scenario so far. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.